Did you just get a scary system generated advance tax notice? Don't panic. Here's exactly what you need to do. You do not have to blindly pay what they ask for. Actually, the IT system tracks all your tax records, and when this system tracking mechanism looks at your past data or a big transaction in the past, it automatically assumes that you owe them the tax right now. Advance tax notices are generally issued when the tax department thinks that your current income matches your last year's high profits. Once you receive the notice, you have to respond to this notice based on your real financial transactions only. As per the landmark judgment, in case of Roshan Lal, the Honorable High Court ruled that the tax department cannot force a taxpayer to pay arbitrarily inflated demands. For example, if the AO's notice is based on a one-time capital gain from last year, like a property sale that may or may not have happened this year as well, state this fact that adopting the last year's data as a premise to issue an advance tax notice is an incorrect benchmark for estimating current year's income. You need to register your non-confirmation by filing Form 28A online immediately. Cite this legal principle to demonstrate that you are complying with the law by also providing a bona fide estimate of your actual income this year rather than totally avoiding the payment of taxes. Please also note that if you disagree with the tax department, ignoring this advance tax notice altogether can land you into trouble and you could be legally declared as an SSC in default. If that happens, then you may face immediate tax recovery actions and a brutal 1% per month interest penalty. On the other hand, if you feel that the demand in the notice aligns with your financial transactions this year, you can make the payment directly through the portal using standard e-payment challan on the system within the specified 30 days window. So check your AIS portal today, drop your tax questions in the comment box and hit that follow tab to protect your business and your finances.